This is a drug. This is sexual activity. And somewhere over there is the human heart. I will show you what happens to your heart each time you take a drug to have sex with either a man or a woman. Please come with me. Okay, so peeps, in this video, this is a human heart that is ready for surgical transplant. I mean, this heart you are seeing is a real human heart that is gotten from a human being to be planted into another human heart. Now, it is called heart transplant. I mean, what you are seeing, just like we have the normal kidney transplant. The same way you have kidney transplant is the same way you also have heart transplant. But this will be a video for another day actually. Now let's go to the side effect of taking drugs or substances before having sex. I understood how pleasurable it is to please a woman in the bed, to last long, and so she also calls you back for more. But it will interest me a lot if you will take this my medical advice. Normally, taking drugs before engaging in sexual activity can have varying effects in the heart, depending on the specific drug used. On a normally, when you take drug, the heart needs to pump more blood to push that drug to the particular or specific places where it is needed and for its purposes. When you are having sex with your loved ones, the heart also needs blood to be pumped more efficiently to the whole system to help you normalize your whole body system. Now, different drugs can impact cardiovascular health differently. I mean, the health of your heart, that is to say, how healthy your heart is. Okay, for example, stimulant drugs like amphetamines and cocaine. Now, for those of you who don't know what amphetamines are, let me explain. Amphetamines are stimulants that speed up your body system. They are mostly prescribed for the treatment of attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, that is ADHD. Okay, this is a psychiatry area actually. Let me not go further in confusing you. Now, back to my explanation. When amphetamine and cocaine are used, they increase the heart rate, that is the rate at which your heart beats. They also will increase blood pressure and causing strain in the heart. When I say strain, I mean an excessive or workload that is placed on the heart, which can lead to an increased demand for oxygen and nutrients. Now, this thing normally happens only when the heart has to work harder than normal just to meet the body needs. Secondly, when you take recreational drugs like MDMA, that is ecstasy or Molly, can also raise the heart rate, the BP, body temperature, thereby leading to additional stress on the heart. Though this is also another psychiatric drugs, which is also used for recreational purposes. I won't go further, so not to confuse you as well. Now, let's come to prescription medication, like the sildenafil, the common Viagra, This Viagra may have a mild effect on your blood pressure and your heart rate though, and it can also be generally safe, okay, when used as prescribed only. Also, excessive consumption of alcohol and substances can negatively affect cardiovascular health, that is your heart, which can lead to an increased heart rate, high blood pressure, and also irregular heart rhythms, that is improper beating of the heart, whether irregular, too fast or too slow, that is I don't know if you get it. You begin to have irregular heart beating. Now, in conclusion, combining alcohol or drugs with sexual activity can further intensify these effects, posing a greater risk to heart health. This is more reason why most men die during sexual activity, because of the increased blood pressure, heart rate, and so on. Please share this message with your friends, and I will see you on the other side of the lecture.